So this is another non-calculator question. Susan buys an antique for £120 and sells it for £216. So this is the original cost, £120, and then she sold it for £216. So she sold it at a profit. Work out the percentage profit. So to work out the percentage profit, we have to find the difference first. So we have to do 216 take away 120, and then we're going to divide it by the original price of 120. So how do we find out what 216 take away 120 is? So one way of looking at it is that 120 to 200, that is plus 80, and then from 200 to 216 is another 16. So the 80 there and the 16 there is 96. So the difference was 96 over 120. Now I know I have to times that by 100 to get the percentage, so we're going to come to that in a second. So we can't really do anything with this until we simplify this. So we can simplify simply by halving both of these numbers. So what's the half of 96? Again, if you look here, we can break 96 into 90 and 6. So what's half of 90? Half of 90 is 45, and what's half of 6 is 3. So if you do 45, add the 3, you get 48. So it's 48 over 60, because we're halving the top and the bottom. Again, we can half 48 and 60, so it becomes 24 over 30. Again, we can half that so that it becomes 12 and 15. We can't half them anymore because 15 is an odd number, but we can divide top and bottom by 3. So if I divide top and the bottom by 3, I get 4 over 5. Now 4 over 5, how do I turn that to percentage? Well, somehow I have to make that become a 10 or 100. So it's quite easy to make 4 over 5 become something over 10 just by timesing top and bottom by 2. So what's 4 times 2? That's 8. So let's write 8 as the numerator. And 5 times 2 is 10. So some people might already be able to tell me that that's 8 over 10 is 80%. If you can't, well, think about it. If I type into the top and the bottom by 10 again, I get 80 over 100, which is 80%. So when Suzanne bought the antiques at £120 and then she sold it for £216, she actually made a 80% profit.